Students of Kendriya Vidyalaya KV Leimakhong were reportedly prevented from attending classes on Friday after Kuki protesters allegedly blocked the road leading to the school near Leimakhong Army Camp. Officers of Indian Army Red Shield Division tried to intervene. However, Kuki community did not allow the passage. According to parents, vehicles carrying students from Kanto, Sabal, Paidinga and adjoining areas were stopped near ex-servicemen colony by Kuki individuals who were protesting there. They also prevented other communities, including Nepali, from entering Leimakhong. Later, the students were made to return at Kanto, Sabal, where parents held a brief meeting with officers of Red Shield Division. The Indian Army officer reportedly gave assurance that such incident of blockade on school children will not happen in the future and left. Indian Army also reportedly urged people to withdraw trade embargo which is being imposed by Naga and Meitei communities.
Moina akhoi government na hojik phauba akhoi gi mi asiba hakchang do mok ta thami government na hojik phauba kari action lau thaba leige hojik phauba amat su laitri mi lailon bai phai gi mi do akhoi gi nupi sing tharu raba mi singduna moi masak phau khangna bane moi gi maming phauba ta abane aduda government na hojik phauba mi amat su phadri center force oigera central force oigera change cobra team ne habra change aduda su ka mi amat su phade
phone je phawna re koi moi manungi officer jiga ado moi na haye noi gi akoi je pauk da bada khara thengna ta khre aduduna angang jing do koi security pirake noi angang do hajik thagalo school class hongna ba na hai ada koi na ngasi gi di situation je khara keno tawrabani na sar koi thara roige hayeng dagi koi gi security se matik jan bibiyo habada moi na yare adudi noi hayeng dagi ta security pirage angang do kaim to so aloi hana moi na risk pu bi gani moi na puni hairaga dum jasana gare.